Okay, today's discussion is on design thinking concept. We are going to now have a design thinking under the topic cyber law. Okay, now what actually a cyber law is? A law which protects any user interaction or activity over the internet. Okay, that is cyber law. We have to have the law being enforced upon all the events or anything that we do here on the internet. As the technology is growing, the use of the internet is also rapidly growing. In that case, internet has become an essential part of an individual life, and all the sectors like starting from an individual's work till the business, healthcare, education, every industry is totally dependent on internet facility. Even the governance is done through internet. All are online nowadays. So internet has become a part and parcel of our day-to-day life. Now we have to protect our data from cyber attack, that is something like an identity theft or fraudulence, or it can be phishing. It can be any type of an attack like a malicious attack, whatever it is. We have to protect our data from such attacks. So the cyber threat is always there, which has to be protected, and the law ensures that even if there is an hacker who has come to a way of any activity, that particular person who has committed the crime is being taken into law and punishment is being given as per the law. The Indian government as well as international governments have taken lots of measures in implementing a stringent law to protect the user from internet hacking activities. Let us now start the design thinking discussion based on the 5 pillars. We'll start.
Okay. Now the design thinking has 5 phases. First, empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Now I am going to explain about empathize. This step is all about understanding how people are affected by the cyber crimes. First, citizens face problems like money theft, their personal identity being stolen, private information leaked, and mental stress. Police and law enforcement may struggle to catch the criminals due to lack of evidence and confusion of jurisdiction, technical knowledge, and many companies may suffer from loss of reputation and the customer data being theft and some confusions. Many of the rural peoples don't know about rural cyber laws and what the rights under the Indian IT Act. This will be continued.
Actually, the Act is IT 2000. The cyber law which we have in our country is IT 2000. Okay. Yes.
This will be continued.
So here now I am going to explain the 4 issues in cyber laws. First one, overdated IT Act provisions. The Information Technology Act 2000 was made when the internet is growing in India. But modern cyber crimes like AI detected frauds, deepfakes are not clearly mentioned in the law. Next, the lack of awareness among people. Many of the people, especially in rural areas, don't know about what is cyber crimes. So, without public knowledge, the law can't do anything. Next, slow punishment. Police law lack training issues to investigate what is cyber crime. So, it takes too much time to investigate, and in case will take prolonged to complete.
Yes. It prolongs. Next.
Okay guys, I will continue with the ideate phase. The first thing in the ideate phase, the IT Act law. The IT Act doesn't fully cover the crimes like deepfakes, cryptocurrency scams, and cryptocurrency scams, and so on. Second, we can run cybercrime campaigns in schools to teach people, especially students, how to stay safe online. Third is 24/7 helpline. We can have a 24/7 helpline which supports at any time if a victim who calls police or a government side, they can respond quickly to that, so that the police and cybercrime can respond quickly and reduce more threats. Last, we can suggest AI tools and have a law enforcement subject in schools and technical institutions so that people and students may have more know their rights and responsibilities in this digital world.
So the awareness has been generated through all these means.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Okay, I am here going to explain about the prototype. In this prototype, we can develop a plan or a platform to how the students know about the law of IT Act professions. In this, we develop an app for a citizen to report the cyber crimes and track the test cases and access the legal issues. And then in the report curriculum, it is easy accessible for the students in their regional language. And here we are going to create about the AI bot, which is gives answers to the students in an efficient
So AI chatbots. Okay.
So as this forwarded, we have to test the app to the users. We have to check the app whether how it is working on cyber crimes to the metro cities and the metropolitan areas. As even for the rural and the urban area, it is mandatory to check whether the cyber app works in an efficient way, and we should get their feedbacks. If their feedbacks is certain ways, then we have to forward it by neglecting something, or we have to add something in the app so that we can get more features in this app, so that we can give some kind of awareness and the explanation towards the rural and urban peoples.